Hello again, everybody. Welcome to another Aaron Cooks video. As you can see, we're in a very different location. This is not my house. My cameraman, Jimmy Jones, and I have been brought to Guam for some work. So we're gonna just kind of wing it here. Step one, of course, nowadays, we're gonna wash our hands. Not that I didn't anyway, but just to reassure you that I was, everything's on the level. And you can sing happy birthday to yourself if you want to. I'm just gonna make sure that I wash everything properly. Thumbs included, tops of the hands and all that. Because Jimmy's gonna eat this too, and I don't want him getting sick. So the recipe that we're doing today is another attempt, or a variation, I guess, on the chicken recipe that I did before that I really like. Unfortunately, because I'm stuck in quarantine and not able to do any grocery shopping for myself, and because I'm actually in Guam, which is, way the hell away from everything, and supplies aren't exactly plentiful, I don't have everything that I would like to have for this recipe. And I can't seem to get this thing open, which is a lot of fun when you're doing one-shot take. There we go. Okay. So, I've already washed the crock pot, so that's nice and clean. So we'll put our chicken in here. It's a lucky thing that I even have the crock pot with. I knew that we were going to be locked down when we got here, so I brought it along just in case. It's a darn good thing that I did. All right. So as before, we're going to add heavy whipping cream. I did manage to get some of that. I don't have, amongst other things, I don't have chicken broth and I don't have olive oil. So we're just going to pour the whole carton in there. And that'll nicely cover the chicken. I don't have shredded Parmesan either to use. Because again, we just gave our list to somebody else to do the shopping for us. So I have flaked Parmesan, shaved Parmesan. So we're going to throw that in there, all of it, because why not? And we're going to season with oregano. Don't have any garlic, so we have garlic powder. Plenty of that in there. Running in some sea salt. I do have crushed red pepper. I brought that from home along with my crock pot, so that's going in there. Very sad that I don't have the sun-dried tomatoes that I raved about last time. So again, we're just kind of going to see what happens with all this and see how it goes. I'll mix that up here in a minute, but Jimmy, come on and get a shot of this. So everybody's in there, and we're going to do the same thing. I'll stir it up here in a minute, but just like last time, we'll cook for 4 hours, and then we'll come back and see how it goes. There she's on high, and yeah, see how that goes. Okay, as promised, doing our mixing. As you can see, we're very much making do with what we have. Lots of fun. Alright, so it's cooked for about 3.5 hours on high. I just turned it to low about a half an hour ago. And unfortunately there's no spinach to add this time, but it still turned out looking real tasty. And the chicken is very tender, as you can see with my, oh yeah, it's already coming apart. So that's that. Now it's time to serve it up.